Hi guys, Vlad here. Today we have another great day, and today we have another great. I hope it's great. Shu Pu-erh. It's look like this one. You see, it's square tocha of the 7 grams, and it's called something like UV Pu-erh, hot Pu-erh, or hot tea, and we will see how it's look, how it's smell, and also how it tastes. This one, yeah, something like this. You see, it's a little bit different because we used to see the round tocha, but this one is squared. Okay, and I want to, from the beginning, I want to see on what year this tea was made, and I can't find anything here. Maybe here we will find something. Probably it's from the 2021. It's from 2020, probably 2022. I believe it's 2022, yeah. Let it be 2022. Yes, 2022 or 2020. So 2020 something. So we open this tea and it's look really interesting. You see the square tocha, mini tocha of course. And it's really interesting and good looking. You see a lot of the tea leaves. It's really thin, you see. And yeah, we will try how it's. And the press of this tea not so hard because I can break it by my hand. And also I do it like this. And we try it. We now try this tea. It's good or not. So we add some water. I have the 90 something, 95 or 96 degrees of Celsius of the water. And we will waiting here because of my experience. Just waiting here, not so much, but let's wait 45 seconds, something like this. Okay. And I have no idea what does it mean the hot tea, which is kind of the unusual. And we will see. I will wait here, so just 15 seconds more, and we try this tea. Finally. Yeah, so let's try. So the technical brew is gone. It's ready. We just throw out the water, yeah. And you see that even after 45 seconds, it's not completely open, yeah. Because you see, it's maybe after first brew it give us something. Maybe we don't need to wait so much time. But I think it's, you see, it's positive. It's open, yeah. And probably the first brew will give us the good tea. Yeah. We will waiting here the 15 seconds, probably, yeah, a little bit then 10 seconds or something like this. Yeah. And we will try. We finally try this really good looking tea. Is it good or not? Yeah. And according to the color of the tea, it's kind of it's not completely dark, but it's close to dark. Yeah. And we see here that this is completely open here now, and we see a lot of fermented tea, big leaves. Yeah. Some of the tea stews, but not so many of them. And what about smell? It's unexpectedly don't have enough of the or clear smell. You know, for me it's just the hot air. Maybe it's barley, the small just the notice of the smell, but you know, I don't feel anything interesting. And what about taste? You know, despite of the fact that this tea does not have any smell, I mean the character smell, from the first brew I see that it's the completely sweet. It don't have the additional, I don't know, taste. It's just, it's kind of the little bit more than average tea, but it's really kind of interesting. From the first sip, you feel the sweetness of the tea. I mean, the sweetness of the Shu Pu-erh. And at the middle, it's became more mixed with the Shu Pu-erh taste. And the aftertaste is became sweet. But after the 2 or 3 seconds, it's become just barley, you know, became a little bit bitter, but you know, it's the tea bitterness, and for sure sometimes it's good, and in this case it's kind of it give the character to this tea. Yeah. And you know, for me it's little bit above average, but only just barley. It's kind of it's very close to average, but maybe I will grade it a little bit higher. But let's try the second brew with the less time of the exposure. I just tried, let's say, kind of the immediately. Yeah. Maybe the 7 grams of this tea is good. I don't know. I mean, give you the good taste. And now the exposure time is really fast. And what about smell? Because you see that the tea is completely open, completely ready for drinking. Yeah, you see. A lot of the big leaves, some of the fermented leaves, yeah, you see. Unfortunately, no smell at all. Sometimes it's okay, sometimes not, but the color of the tea became more darker. It's close to completely dark, you see. It's absolutely dark, like it's not like coffee, but you know, really close. And what about taste? But what I can tell you for now, it's okay. Yeah, I like it, but maybe it's I'm expecting here more kind of the, you know, more interesting taste. But here is not. You know, it's just, let's say now for me it's kind of the ordinary tea. Yeah. And I think that it's worth to try, but you know, maybe it's good for form factor for the traveling. But will I recommend this tea? You can find better tea. Yeah, I mean the better shoe for this price range. Yeah, and that's okay about this UV Shu Pu-erh, the hot tea from the 2024 or 2, I believe, and this is good. Thank you so much for the watching my video. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for the commenting my video. And tomorrow we'll have another great day, and tomorrow we'll have another great Chinese tea. Thank you so much. Bye.